Let's do this question now. Anita can wrap 350 gifts with the wrapping paper in 8 hours. Ruby can wrap the same number of gifts in 10 hours while Sushma can wrap them in 12 hours. All of them started at 11 a.m. while Anita had to leave at 1 p.m. due to some urgent work, and the remaining two completed the work. Approximately at what time will the work, that is of wrapping 350 gifts, be finished? Now there is a catch in this question. If you keep focusing on 350, you will have problem because 350 is not divisible by 8. 350 is not divisible by 12. It will be creating a problem for you. And 350 is useless here. It is just one work like 350. You can assume 350 gifts as anything else in numbers so that it is divisible by 8, 10 and 12, and we can use our LCM method. So Anita can do the job in 8 hours. Ruby can do the job in 10 hours. And then Sushma can do the job in 12 hours. I am saying, let us say the total work is the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. The LCM of 8, 10 and 12 would be how much? 8 and 10 is 40, 40 and 20 is 120. Let us say there are 120 units. Assume 350 gifts are equal to 120 units. So Anita can make 15 units in an hour. Ruby can make 12 units in an hour. Sushma can make 10 units in an hour. Now what is the question saying? All of them started working at 11 a.m. So A plus R plus S, they all started working at 11 a.m. Anita had to leave at 1 p.m. So they worked till 1 p.m. and then Anita had to leave. So now R plus S would start working. Question is saying when would they complete the work? That you have to tell. Now when all three of them are working, can I say they are making 37 units in an hour? That is 15 plus 12 plus 10. And in 2 hours, they would have made a total of 74 units. 37 into 2, 74. The remaining units are 120 minus 74. 120 minus 74 is 46. These 46 units are to be made by R and S, and they are making 12 plus 10, 22 in an hour. How many hours would they take? 46 by 22 is approximately 2 hours that they are going to take. It's slightly more than 2, but the question is asking you approximately. So I would say from 1 p.m. it will take approximately 2 hours more. At around 3 p.m. the job would be done. So therefore my answer for this question is option A. Again, I would say the question was not difficult. Probably if you keep taking 350, it might create a problem. Otherwise, the question was on the easier side.